guys, welcome to CRNT Designers Chetan here. This is the hard surface modeling part 3. So before moving toward the tutorial, if you didn't subscribe to the channel then please subscribe it, and now let's get started. To make this object, just add a cylinder. Let's go with the 16. And then scale it down. We will follow this image, but we will try to create our own design. This image is just for the reference. Okay, you can see. Then select this, and now just you need to select these faces, and then insert these faces, and then delete these faces like this. Then press F to fill the gap. Select the edges and press F to fill the gap. Same thing with this one. Now then join them together. Then set the origin to the geometry. Now add 2 loop cuts like this. Same with this one. Now you need to select few faces. So just select these faces. Make sure you select only outer faces, not the inner one. Then extrude them. And you need to scale them along the x-axis to make it straight. Just adjust the length, then one more time extrude, and then one more time extrude it. Now
take it little bit back, so we move it along the y-axis. So just move this, select these words and then move them along the y-axis. It's very easy and simple step.
Then select these words and then one more time extrude it and move along the y-axis. Then one more time extrude it, and this time move along the y-axis, and you can see we got that angle right there. Then shift D to duplicate the cylinder, because we will use the same cylinder here. Just we need to merge the words. Now select same number of faces with this cylinder, otherwise you can just rotate it into the 180 degree, so you will get the same design, and it will be the more easier way. So just delete these faces, and now just select this edge and press F. Do the same step, so press F, fill these gaps. Now you can see it's very easy.
So then just fix it at its right position. Now just adjust the scale. Then
select everything and mesh symmetrize. Choose the proper axis for this symmetrize option. You can see Z positive to Z negative X work much more better in this case. Then just use the bridge edge to join these two edges. Same process with this. You can see in our reference image there is not the joining in between those two cylinders, so we will keep them as it is. Then add loop cuts to tighten these edges to support your geometry. You can see just I have deleted few faces right there, and then press F to fill the gap. Select the edge and press F to fill the gap. Same step here also. Just delete these faces. And select two edges and press F to fill the gap, and then press and hold F. And that's nice. Then add one loop cut here. Similarly here also. Select these faces and then extrude. Before that we just need to delete these faces. Then delete these faces also. And now just we need to fill the gap. Select the edges and press F. Select the edges and press F. Now same step here also. Just press F. You can use the symmetrize option also, otherwise you can do the manually. Select the edges and press F. Just we need to repeat this process. Then add loop cut here and add one more loop cut here.
Select the edge and extrude it. Like this. Select this edge and then extrude it. And then just select the faces. And then one more time, do the same step. Press and hold. Select the edges and then press and hold F to fill the gaps.
You can see just I have added few loop cuts here. And then delete these words. Okay, so just we have connected these words. Select the words and then right click connect vertex path. After that just delete these faces and you will get something like this. You can fill the gaps.
Just move this edge a little bit up and do the same step with all sides because we want the same result to the underside also. Select the words and connect them. And then delete these faces. You have to do the same step with this one also. Just change the recalculate normal or double words.
Now just select these edges and breach edge loop. Then add loop cuts here. And you can scale them along the z-axis to make them straight. Then delete these faces. Select these edges and then breach edge loop. Then shade smooth it. Check the face orientation. Then add a subdivision surface modifier. And start to add the necessary loop cuts to support the geometry. To tighten the edges, you need to add supportive edges. Before that, just we need to do little bit of work here. Select this edge, then E to extrude. And then scale down it. Give the appropriate amount for that. Then do the same step with this one. And then breach edge loop. Then add a bevel modifier. And make sure bevel modifier should be top of your subdivision surface modifier. And then you will get nice clean mesh, but change it to the angle, and then you can see we are getting the weird shading here because there is a double edge and we need to remove that edge. Then we can easily solve this problem. You can see there is a double edge, that's why we are facing this issue. So just we need to delete this edge, or you can dissolve that edge. Now it's fine, and now you can see our mesh looks pretty well, decent. We have added the subdivision surface modifier as well as a bevel modifier to sharpen the edges to get that hard surface feel.
Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.